In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at two popular website building platforms, Wix and Framer. The goal is to compare both and help you understand what each offers, what might suit your needs better, and some things you should know about both. It's not just about the features. It's also about how they work for you personally. When you first start exploring Framer, you'll notice right away that it's all about delivering a top-tier design experience. It's very much like Figma, but specifically for websites. Framer is made for people who care deeply about design and aesthetics. The platform emphasizes clean lines, modern interfaces, and plenty of freedom for creative expression. If you're someone who enjoys crafting beautiful websites from scratch, Framer has a lot to offer. One thing that stands out immediately when working in Framer is its speed and responsiveness. As a user, you'll quickly realize that the platform feels super fast. There's little to no lag when you're working on your site, even when you're dealing with larger designs or adding multiple elements at once. This is something that Framer does really well and can make the design process feel a lot more seamless. Whether you're adding images, text, or other elements, things move quickly. This is a huge benefit if you're someone who values efficiency and hates waiting for things to load. You won't be sitting there staring at a spinning wheel, wondering when your changes will actually show up. You're able to make edits in real time, and that instant feedback is incredibly satisfying for users. Framer's design flexibility is another key selling point. Unlike traditional website builders that often force you into a set structure or layout, Framer gives you more control. You're working with frames, which are essentially containers for your design elements. These frames allow you to work within a certain structure, but they still give you freedom to adjust the layout to your liking. This means that you can create highly personalized, professional-looking websites without being restricted to a rigid template. It's a bit of a learning curve at first, but for those who want to create something that stands out, this kind of control is invaluable. Plus, there's the ability to adjust everything from typography to spacing and even animation, so your website can feel truly unique. That being said, Framer is still a design-centric platform, and it doesn't come with all the bells and whistles of some other platforms, especially when it comes to e-commerce or integrations. So, if your primary goal is to build a basic portfolio or personal site, Framer will serve you very well. But if you're looking to run a fully fledged online store, or if you need extensive third-party integrations, Framer might not be the ideal choice out of the box. Pricing is another aspect to consider. Framer's basic plan is around $15 per month, which gets you things like a custom domain and good bandwidth, but it doesn't have all the business tools you might find in other platforms, like booking systems or extensive online stores. It's ideal for users who want a sleek design and a great user experience. But if you're planning something more complex, you might want to look at other options. Now, let's turn our attention to Wix, which is a whole different ball game. Unlike Framer, Wix is all about giving you an all-in-one solution. It's a website builder that caters to users who want an easy-to-use platform with plenty of features right out of the gate. If you don't want to spend a ton of time fiddling with complex design elements, and just want to get your site up and running quickly, Wix is an excellent choice. One of the biggest advantages of Wix is its drag-and-drop functionality. With Wix, you don't need to be a designer or developer to create a functional website. The interface is extremely user-friendly, and you can literally drag elements like text, images, and buttons onto your page and place them exactly where you want them. This makes it super accessible for people who don't have a background in web design or coding. Another big plus with Wix is the sheer number of features available. Wix offers tools for almost everything, e-commerce, booking systems, event management, blog creation, SEO tools, and more. If you're building an online store, for example, Wix has integrated payment gateways, inventory management, and customizable product pages, all included with their plans. This makes it an incredibly versatile platform if you're running any kind of business that requires those features. When it comes to templates, Wix offers a huge variety. Whether you're building a business website, a personal portfolio, or an online store, there's a template that fits your needs. The templates are visually appealing, and the best part is that they're highly customizable. You can tweak the colors, fonts, and images to match your brand's identity, but the overall layout and structure are there to get you started quickly. In terms of performance, Wix is generally solid, but it does have some slower load times compared to Framer. There can be a slight lag when you're designing or editing your website, which might be frustrating if you're used to the smoother experience of platforms like Framer. But for the most part, the lag isn't major. It's just something to keep in mind when working on larger websites or projects with more elements. Where Wix really shines is in its CMS and app marketplace. Wix gives you a powerful content management system to easily manage your pages, articles, and dynamic content. The real standout, though, is the Wix App Market, which offers tons of third-party integrations. Whether you need a live chat feature, social media tools, or marketing integrations, you can find it in the App Market. This makes Wix an excellent platform for anyone looking to expand their website's capabilities. In terms of pricing, Wix has a basic plan, but keep in mind that if you want access to more advanced features like e-commerce tools or business integrations, you'll need to upgrade to a higher tier plan. Wix offers a lot for the price, but to get the most value, you'll probably need to go with one of their premium plans. So, now that we've broken it down, the decision between Framer and Wix ultimately comes down to what you're looking for in a website builder. If you're a designer or someone who values creative control over the aesthetics of your site, Framer is going to be a better fit. It offers a sleek, modern interface with a lot of design flexibility, and the speed is a huge plus. It's perfect for those who want to create a unique, visually stunning website without too much restriction. If you need a complete, all-in-one solution with powerful features that can scale as your business grows, then Wix is the way to go.